In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Zoho Mail in Outlook. We'll walk through enabling the right settings in Zoho Mail and then adding the account to Outlook so your emails, folders, and changes stay in sync. First, start in your web browser and open Zoho Mail. Sign in, then head to Settings. In the Settings area, look for Mail Accounts, and open Imap Access Pop Access. Make sure the Imap option is turned on by checking the box to enable it. Imap is what lets Outlook keep your mailbox synchronized, so if this isn't enabled, Outlook won't be able to connect properly. Once Imap is enabled, you're ready to move over to Outlook. Open Outlook. If you're using the new Outlook experience, click the Settings gear icon in the top right, select Accounts, then choose Add Account. If you're using Classic Outlook, go to the File tab, check the Account Information page, and click Add Account. Different versions place the option in slightly different spots, but they all take you to the same account setup flow. When prompted, enter your Zoho email address and your password, then click Continue. Outlook will look up Zoho's server details and prepare the Imap connection for you, so you don't need to change anything advanced. When you see the prompt to continue syncing with your Zoho Imap account, click Continue. Now, give Outlook a few minutes. It will test the connection, sign you in, and begin downloading your mailbox structure and your most recent messages. This initial sync can take a bit, especially if you have a lot of folders or a large inbox. Keep Outlook open and let it finish. You may see a progress spinner or brief prompts as it finalizes the setup. After a short while, you should see a success confirmation window. Click Done to close the setup. Your Zoho Mail account will appear in Outlook sidebar, and you can expand it to see your folders. You're all set to send and receive messages from Zoho Mail right inside Outlook. If your inbox looks a little light at first, that's normal. The rest of your mail will continue to download in the background. You can start working while it finishes. That's the entire process. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined email experience.